Hi, today I want to repair my telephone. My camera glass is shattered, and this is Galaxy S7 model. And as far as I understood, people are complaining from shattering camera glass for unknown reasons, and I will add where I read these in the description or as a link on the top right corner. If that happens to you, if the same thing happens to you, you should watch out to prevent the shattered glass entering the innards of the camera, because it stops it from working, it prevents it from working. What you can do, if it shattered too much, you can tape an adhesive tape on top of the camera, and then try to collect the small pieces like I did previously here. And what you can do, if there are leftover pieces that you cannot take out with a tape, then you can use a hook, something like this, and then you can go beneath the leftover pieces and try to pull them out. But of course, try to do it while the camera is facing down, so the pieces should fall down. And the last step is to heat the adhesive holding the rest of the remainings of the shattered glass. And of course, don't heat it too much. It can be a bit too warm to touch, but nothing more. So don't go too hot with it. And replacement glasses, and try to find quality ones with already have their adhesive on them. I guess I bought the wrong ones, but we will see.